What if I told you that one new lens could completely change the way you shoot landscapes, architecture, travel videos, and even the night sky? At first glance, the new Tamron 12-20mm f/2.8D3 might look like just another ultra-wide zoom, but once you look deeper, you'll realize Tamron isn't trying to compete with everyone else, they're trying to create something that stands in a class of its own. With an incredibly wide 12mm focal length, a bright constant f/2.8 aperture, a brand new design, and professional-level features packed into a surprisingly lightweight body, this lens has quickly become one of the most talked-about releases of the year. But does it actually live up to the excitement, or is it simply another lens with impressive numbers on paper? Let's find out. The first thing that grabs your attention is that incredible 12mm focal length. If you've used a 14mm or even a 16mm lens before, you might think the difference sounds small. In reality, it completely changes what you can fit into your frame. Those extra millimeters allow you to capture massive mountain ranges, towering skyscrapers, dramatic coastlines, narrow streets, and tiny interior spaces without constantly stepping backward. Sometimes taking one more step simply isn't possible. You may be standing against a wall, on the edge of a cliff, or inside a small room. That's exactly where this lens starts to shine. It lets you tell a much bigger story with a single image. Of course, an ultra-wide view isn't enough if the image quality falls apart. Thankfully, Tamron appears to have spent considerable effort on the optics. The lens uses advanced glass elements designed to reduce distortion, chromatic aberration, and flare while maintaining impressive sharpness across the frame. The center remains extremely sharp throughout the zoom range, while the edges perform much better than many photographers might expect from such an aggressive ultra-wide design. Even when photographing detailed buildings or landscapes filled with fine textures, the results remain crisp and full of detail. For anyone who loves printing large photos or cropping images later, that's excellent news. One feature that many photographers have been asking for is an internal zoom design, and Tamron has finally delivered it. Unlike traditional zoom lenses that physically extend as you zoom in and out, this lens keeps the same overall length throughout the entire zoom range. That may sound like a small engineering change, but it brings several real-world advantages. The balance stays consistent while shooting handheld, the lens feels more solid during use, and it's much easier to mount on a gimbal because the center of gravity doesn't constantly shift. Video creators will especially appreciate this design because they won't have to rebalance their stabilizer every time they adjust the focal length. Speaking of video creators, Tamron clearly had filmmakers in mind while designing this lens. The autofocus is powered by the company's VXD linear motor system, which is known for being both fast and extremely quiet. Whether you're filming yourself while walking, recording real estate tours, creating cinematic travel videos, or capturing smooth establishing shots, the autofocus keeps subjects locked in without distracting noise. That's becoming increasingly important as more creators rely on cameras for both photography and professional quality video production. Now let's talk about one of the biggest selling points, the constant f/2.8 aperture. This is something professionals genuinely appreciate because the aperture stays the same throughout the entire zoom range. That means your exposure doesn't suddenly change while zooming, making video recording much smoother and photography much more predictable. The brighter aperture also allows more light to reach the sensor, helping you shoot during sunrise, sunset, blue hour, and indoor environments without immediately increasing your ISO. For astrophotographers, this becomes even more valuable. Pair this lens with a modern full-frame mirrorless camera, and you'll have an excellent setup for capturing stars, the Milky Way, and breathtaking night landscapes. But here's something many people don't expect. Although this is an ultra-wide zoom lens, it can actually focus surprisingly close. This opens up an entirely different style of photography where your foreground subject appears large and dramatic while the background stretches into the distance. Imagine photographing colorful flowers with an entire mountain range behind them, or capturing detailed rocks on a beach while a beautiful sunset fills the horizon. That exaggerated perspective creates images that immediately grab attention because they feel immersive and three-dimensional. Another area where Tamron deserves credit is portability. Professional ultra-wide zoom lenses often become heavy enough that photographers hesitate to carry them during long trips. Tamron has managed to keep this lens relatively lightweight, making it much easier to pack for travel, hiking adventures, and full-day photography sessions. After several hours of carrying camera gear, every gram matters. A lighter lens doesn't just reduce fatigue, it actually encourages you to bring it along instead of leaving it behind in your hotel room or backpack. The build quality has also taken a noticeable step forward. Tamron has introduced a fresh exterior design that looks cleaner and more premium than some of its earlier lenses. The weather-resistant construction provides additional confidence when shooting outdoors in changing conditions. While no one intentionally photographs during heavy rainstorms, it's reassuring to know the lens is built to handle light rain, dust, and cold environments. Landscape photographers often find themselves in unpredictable weather, and durable construction makes a genuine difference over years of use. Now, no product is perfect, and it's important to look at where compromises still exist. The lens doesn't include optical image stabilization. Fortunately, many modern Sony and Nikon full-frame cameras already feature excellent in-body image stabilization, which helps compensate for handheld shooting. At the widest 12mm setting and maximum aperture, you may also notice slight vignetting and a little softness toward the extreme corners. However, considering just how wide this lens really is, those compromises are surprisingly well controlled and are easily corrected during editing if needed. Another thing worth mentioning is perspective. Ultra-wide lenses naturally exaggerate distances and can stretch objects near the edges of the frame. For beginners, this might feel unusual at first. But once you learn how to use that perspective creatively, it becomes one of the lens's greatest strengths. You can create dramatic leading lines, emphasize foreground subjects, and produce images that immediately stand out from photographs taken with standard zoom lenses. The biggest question, of course, is whether this lens is worth its premium price. It certainly isn't aimed at casual users who only occasionally photograph landscapes. Instead, it's built for enthusiasts and professionals who regularly shoot architecture, interiors, travel, landscapes, commercial work, and video projects. When you compare its extremely wide focal range, bright constant aperture, internal zoom mechanism, fast autofocus, weather-resistant construction, and relatively lightweight design with competing professional lenses, the value becomes much easier to understand. In several areas, Tamron has managed to offer features that photographers have been requesting for years while still keeping the package compact and practical. Perhaps the most impressive thing about this lens isn't any single specification. It's how everything works together. The ultra-wide field of view encourages creativity. The sharp optics preserve fine detail. The constant f/2.8 aperture performs well in challenging light. The internal zoom keeps handling consistent. The lightweight body makes travel easier. And the fast autofocus serves both photographers and filmmakers equally well. Instead of excelling in only one area, the Tamron 12 to 20mm f/2.8 D3 delivers a balanced package that feels carefully designed around real-world use. So, should you buy it? If your photography revolves around landscapes, architecture, real estate, travel, night skies, or cinematic video production, this lens deserves a place near the top of your shortlist. It pushes beyond the traditional 14mm starting point, introduces meaningful design improvements, and delivers professional-level performance without becoming excessively large or heavy. It won't replace every lens in your camera bag, but for the situations it was built for, it has the potential to become your favorite creative tool. The ultra-wide lens market has become incredibly competitive, yet Tamron has found a way to stand out. Rather than simply refining an existing formula, they've produced a lens that expands creative possibilities while solving practical problems photographers and filmmakers encounter every day. If the real-world performance matches these impressive specifications, the Tamron 12 to 20mm f/2.8 D3 may not just be one of the best ultra-wide lenses of 2026, it could become the new benchmark that future lenses will be measured against.